Ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, not just about the stars, but about the incredible machines that take us there? Specifically, have you ever stopped to think, how much money is a spaceship? It's a question that conjures images of science fiction, billionaires, and the cutting edge of human ingenuity. But beyond the fantastical, there's a serious answer, and it's far more complex than just a price tag. When we talk about the cost of a spaceship, we're not just talking about the vehicle itself. It's a colossal undertaking that encompasses research and development, manufacturing, launch infrastructure, mission control, astronaut training, and even the fuel to get it off the ground. Think of it like buying a car, but instead of a dealership, you're building a hyper-advanced, reusable rocket from scratch, constructing a specialized highway to space, and training a team of elite drivers for years. Suddenly, that car seems like a bargain, right? Let's break down some examples to get a grasp on the staggering figures involved. Take, for instance, the Space Shuttle program. While not a single spaceship in the traditional sense, each orbiter, like Columbia or Discovery, was estimated to cost around $1.7 billion to build in 2011 dollars. But that's just the vehicle. The entire program, from its inception in the 1970s to its retirement in 2011, is estimated to have cost over $200 billion. This includes all the launches, maintenance, and operational expenses. It's a testament to the immense investment required for sustained human spaceflight. Then there's the International Space Station, a true marvel of international cooperation. While not a spacecraft designed for launch and re-entry, it's a permanent orbital habitat, essentially a very large and very expensive spaceship in orbit. Its construction and operational costs over its lifetime are estimated to be well over $150 billion, contributed by various space agencies around the world. This highlights another critical factor: collaboration often spreads the financial burden, making such grand endeavors possible. What about the new generation of spacecraft? SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, a workhorse of modern spaceflight, has a listed launch price of around $67 million for a single mission. While that's the cost for a customer to put a satellite into orbit, the development of the Falcon 9 and its reusable technology involved billions in investment from SpaceX. Their Starship, an even more ambitious fully reusable system designed for Mars missions, is projected to cost billions to develop and manufacture, though the long-term goal is to dramatically lower the cost per launch once it's fully operational and frequently reused. And let's not forget the small stuff, relatively speaking. A Mars rover like Perseverance, a robotic geologist exploring the Red Planet, cost around $2.7 billion to build and operate. While not a spaceship in the sense of carrying humans, it's a highly sophisticated, self-contained vehicle designed for deep space exploration, showcasing the significant investment in robotic missions. So, how much money is a spaceship? The answer is not a neat number, but a spectrum ranging from tens of millions for a commercial satellite launch on a reusable rocket to hundreds of billions for an entire human spaceflight program or an orbital outpost. It's a cost that reflects the immense complexity, the cutting-edge technology, the inherent risks, and the sheer ambition of venturing beyond our planet. It's a price tag that represents humanity's insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of the unknown. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.